Hi guys, this is Chef Faiz and today we are back with another mind-blowing dish. We will be making a very monsoon-friendly dish. So it is cheese and paneer bread pakoda. It's a very unique and different style flavor. Believe me, it is not the regular bread pakoda that you eat. It will be with a lot of twists and turns, and we will show you how to serve it perfectly and make it in the absolute right way. Let's go and let's learn how to go about and produce this mind-boggling dish right now. Starting off with boiling of 2 large potatoes. In a hot pan, 2 tablespoons of oil goes in. To begin with, I'll put a pinch of hing asafoetida, which will enhance the flavor of oil. Next come in a half teaspoon of mustard rye, then comes half teaspoon of zira, which is cumin. Curry leaves goes in, little bit of tempering. 2 heaped tablespoon of ginger garlic paste goes in, sort of stirring it around to make it homogeneous. Then I'm adding the haldi powder, turmeric powder, then green chili finely chopped. Make sure you're using the spicy ones. Adding the boiled potato in the tempering, sort of crushing the potato nicely so that there is no lumps in our stuffing. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt to adjust the seasoning properly. Just take a taste before you go ahead. Adding coriander leaves to freshen it up, taking it out on the plate and allowing it to cool on side. On the other bowl, I'm taking 2 cups of besan. I've taken 125 ml cup, which was heaped full twice. I'm adding the seasoning here: 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Be very careful with turmeric. Adding half a teaspoon with salt, half teaspoon of zira or ajwain, whichever suits you best. Ajwain is more advisable, it wasn't available. 200 ml of water in total. I'm adding 100 ml first, then 100 ml on the later stage. Whisk nicely, no lumps at all. Make it a clear, smooth batter. Then we will go on to our main body. Taking 12 slices of bread, cutting it like this with a mold or any lid of any of the container you have. Taking 200 grams of paneer for stuffing. I'm cutting it into small cubes so that it comes in between as a stuffing. You will see in further video. Slicing the paneer in equal parts. First bread, then putting the potato stuffing on top. Be very generous with the stuffing. Then putting a cube of paneer over it, and then I'll be grating some nice fresh quality processed cheese from the top to give it a very cheesy creamy texture. Then from the other piece of the bread, I will cover it from the top like this. Then just tightly pressing the sides and it is ready to go. You have to carefully press the sides, no leakages at all. You have to be little tight so that it sticks together nicely with each other. Top and the base has to prominently stick. There should be no leakages at all. With the help of your index finger and thumb, just give it around like this and it is ready to go. You can even do it with fork, but my bread was not very fresh, so it didn't work. You can do it with your index finger and thumb. It goes into the besan batter, which is a gram flour batter, and straight into the hot oil. Make sure you are not using a very pungent flavor oil. Try to use sunflower oil or palm oil for deep frying, which have sort of very neutral flavor. If you use peanut oil or mustard oil, it will add too much additional flavor to it. Frying is done. You can see how nice golden brown color it has turned up into. Amazing. Coming down on the plate, incredible. Took it out on the plate. Now it is time for a little taste. You can pardon me for getting completely sweltered up, but the dish comes out is incredible. First bite, and you can see it is amazing, incredible. See the stuffing inside, cream, cheese, the mashed potatoes, and it is superb. That it is no words. The monsoon season will be heaven for you if you have mastered this recipe. A perfect snack for a monsoon evening. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Best of luck and enjoy. Keep watching CFK. Oh.